Morning student. This video for class 10 students, we were doing word problems. Now look at the 13th question. Look at this question. In this question, two digit number based question we have done in the last time. Now we are going to start the problems based on rectangle, and I mean to say area based questions. So you should have the knowledge of area and perimeter of a curve or plane figure. Rectangle, maybe area, maybe triangle, maybe trapezium. They can take any problem in place of this. So here they have taken rectangle. So you should know what is the shape of rectangle. It is a shape of rectangle. Length is here, breadth is here, all angles are 90 degree. Area can be written as L into B. Perimeter of rectangle is 2 times of L plus B. This knowledge you have. Now let me read this question. This question is basically the rectangle of area 105, means area is given 105, remember it, and length is equal to x, means he has given that you should assume length is x. Write down the equation in terms of x. This is the first question he has asked. Write down the equation in terms of x. Use this parameter is 44, means you should use two things. One is area 105 and parameter is 44. Then you have to write down the equation in terms of x. So what we are doing here, we are writing some information. Look at here, area I have written 105, length is x, parameter 44. These are given. Okay, now we know L into B is area. It is given equal to 105. In place of L I have written x, breadth is B, so B is equal to 105 on x. Now length is in terms of x, breadth is in terms of x. Now parameter formula, we know 2 times L plus B. This formula is available. So in place of parameter I have written 44, 2 times L, in place of L I have written x, and in place of B I have written 105 on x. So this 2 will cancel out this 44 22 times. So if after taking LCM and cross multiplication, you are going to get this line, and finally you have this quadratic equation x square minus 22x plus 105. For what he was asking about this particular particular equation, means he wanted that you should get this equation. So this is the equation in terms of x. We have done it. Now we will solve it. So student, here we have equation x square minus 22x plus 105. This equation we have to solve. So x square minus 15x minus 7x means we have two factors. How to get the factors? You know this 105 I factorize. 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 3 7 are 21. So I have taken 5 3 15, it is one of the factor, and 7 is another factor. 15 and 7, it is giving 22. So x square minus 15x minus 7x plus 105 I have written. So we got two factors, x minus 15 and x minus 7. Therefore length is always more than this breadth, so therefore length is 15, and breadth, you know, it is 105 upon x, so 105 upon 15, it is giving 7. So length is 15 and breadth is 7. These are the answers. So we have done both the things in this question, because he asked about this equation which we have calculated in terms of x, and second equation he has asked that find the dimensions. Dimension means length and breadth. So length of this rectangle is 15 centimeter and breadth is 7 centimeter. So this is the right way to solve this question. For this next question, I want to give the hint to you. The question, what is the question? First read out the question. The question is: a rectangular garden 10 meter by 16 meter is surrounded by the concrete walk of uniform width. Given that the area of the walk is 120 square meter, assuming the width of the walk is x meter, form an equation in terms of x and solve it and find the value of x. So look at this question. This question is little bit different from the previous question. Here we have two rectangles. This is the, basically this is path. This is our garden. This is 16 meter by 10 meter. It is the garden. Now uniform width means here also width is x, here also width x, here also width x, here also we have width x. So what you have to do, you have to find the path is given. What it is given in this question? In this question it is given that the area of the path is it is already given, it is 120 meter square. So area of path can be calculated by using the formula area of the outer rectangle minus area of the inner rectangle. But before this, we need the dimensions of outer rectangle and inner rectangle. You see, outer rectangle, it is PQ, it is 16, x is here, x is here, so 16 plus 2x will be the length of this PQ. QR will be 10 plus 2x, similarly 10 here, x is here, so x plus x, it is 2x, so 10 plus 2x is the value of QR. AB and BC, it is already given 16 and 10. So the formula is area of path equal to area of outer rectangle minus area of inner rectangle. So 120 is equal to 16 plus 2x into 10 plus 2x minus 16 into 10. So you have to simplify this equation, get the value in terms of x, and make the quadratic equation, solve it, you will definitely get the value of x. So this is the hint for this question number 14. So students, see this question. So this is the hint basically. I am not going to solve this question. You take the hint. Through this equation you will get the answer. Means this equation, if you are going to solve further, it will give one of the quadratic equation and definitely you will get your answer. So student, what you have to do? You have to do question number 15. That question which I have left for you, that you can do through the hint. Question number 15, first part, second part is for homework. Question number 16 also you will do in homework. For 17 question, you take the hint. In this question, trapezium is given. These two are called parallel sides and the height of this trapezium is x plus 4. And area of trapezium, we know the formula. Area of trapezium is equal to half into sum of parallel side into height. So height is here x plus 4. So take this hint and try to simplify this question also. So till 17 you have to make it ready in your copy. Okay, along with the assignment which I am giving to you. These are the questions which you will do simultaneously along with the assignments. Assignment you have to show daily. This work you will do in your fair copy, but there is no need to show just now. But assignment work, it is necessary, you have to show. This work you will do in your fair copy along simultaneously. You have to do it assignment also, and this work also you have to do both the work. Thank you.